You are going to love the 2019 Yukon XL. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.